Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Here now we will be creating a new template in Confluence. Now as you can see, it's super simple. We know that Confluence changed the UX quite recently, so now I'm gonna show you using the new UX in Cloud. You have your space name and on the side you have the three dots. Just click there and now go to Space Settings. Here is now where you have your space settings on your sidebar instead of the front page. Now go to Look and Feel and then Templates. Here is where you will be adding your new template. Just click on Create and voila! This is a new page, similarly as when you were creating a new page in Confluence. Now you can just create your page as you like. There is only one small difference between the page and a template, which is the placeholder text. This part will serve as a replacement for your text when you create a new page in Confluence using this template. Save your template and then let's create a page using your new template. After you create your page, before doing anything, just go to the three dots and go to Templates. Here is where you can select your template and voila! Now you can use your template as much as you want. If you like this video, please subscribe for more and don't forget to give your like. Thank you very much, see you next time.